Keroche Brewewries Chief Executive Officer Tabitha Karanja is now asking the Kenya Revenue Authority for a grace period of 18 months for the company to clear its tax arrears. Karanja, in a media briefing, also disputed KRA's figures, claiming the company owes 322 million Kenya shillings and not 22 billion Kenya shillings. Take a look.
A day after the Kenya Revenue Authority slapped a firm with a new tax bill of 22 billion Kenya shillings, Keroche Brewewries Chief Executive Tabitha Karanja is pleading for 18 months grace period to clear their arrears.
Because when you look at how much we were paying before COVID, it was over 200 million. This is retro money to us. So they just need us to give us that grace period, and then we continue paying the current taxation.
In a press conference, the Keroche CEO disputed KRA's figures, claiming that the company only owes 322 million Kenya shillings, which it is capable of paying.
But we don't owe KRA 22 billion. Ours is the 322, plus the agreed out of the ADR agreement, the 500 million. And we signed this document in January. So we were supposed to start paying, but now the closure of the bar, the closure of our plant, that's why now we have that hiccup. But we are hoping that they will be opened.
For days now, Keroche's battle with the taxpayer has drawn the nation's interest, with concern over the livelihoods of the local brewers' workers following its closure last month. Karanja, who is interested in the Nakuru County senatorial seat, reads political witch hunt in the latest tax battle.
This one, if you look at the history of Keroche, every time there's an election, we are fighting with the tax man. Our competitor knows very well, every time we have an election, we are always divided. We are always divided. So what does that tell? Because we are always divided, they come in, they penetrate, they give us a payment plan that we are unable. If the banks are restructuring our loans, first, the second time, they can continue. So these are international banks, and they are doing so. Our own Kenya Revenue Authority, a tax collector, why would they do that? Then why would they do different from what they are doing to the others? Because the others they are giving, and when it comes to Keroche, which is a retro money.
Calvin Kodalo, Look Up TV.